This is just really a chance for us to come together as a community. We've had a rough couple years, and we want to talk about some real things because we don't always talk about real things.
It's about progress, not perfection.
Always reach out. You are never, ever alone. There are people who will help you.
You know, truly we are better together, right? Like, we can't do life alone. We're not supposed to do life alone.
I work with these amazing kids, and all I can think of is, you're going to the moon. You're not going to enjoy the ride unless you learn how to practice joy, like literally practice it. Practice calm and contentment and peace. What you practice, you get good at.